Hey everyone! In the previous part, we created a dynamic main menu in Roblox Studio. If you haven't watched that yet, check the link in the description because this builds directly on top of it. Right now, our menu character is just standing still with the default idle animation, and that's pretty boring. So in this video, we're going to add a custom dance animation to the character and then upgrade the script so it can play random animations from a list. First, we need a dance animation. Open the rig or character model that contains the animation you want. This could be a rig from the animation editor or one you imported. Select the rig. Find the animation object inside the rig or open the animation editor. Once you see the animation, look for the animation ID in the Properties panel. Copy that ID, you'll need it for the script. Make sure you copy only the numeric ID or the full link, depending on how your script is set up. Now go back to your main menu rig in the menu scene. Inside the rig, you should already have a script controlling the idle animation from the previous tutorial. Open that script and find the line where the animation ID is set. It might look something like this. Replace the old ID with your new dance animation ID. Press play to test. If everything is set up correctly, your menu character should now play the custom dance animation instead of just standing still. Now let's make things more interesting. Instead of playing just one animation, we'll create a list of animations and have the character randomly play one each time. At the top of your script, create a table. Add as many animation IDs as you want here. Dances, idles, poses, anything that fits your menu style. You can find this code under video description. Here I just copy animations ID from Rig's Animate folder. Next, we'll choose a random animation from the list. Replace the single animation ID line with this. This will pick a random animation every time the menu loads. And that's it! We added a custom dance animation and upgraded the script to play random animations from a list, making the main menu feel way more alive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox Studio tutorials.